very affordably for people who have a price limit. For this lemonade, which is a vegan lemonade, it is really good for your health. We need to which can resist the heat which will be coming from the hot water. Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to make a vegan easy drink which is very cost effective and really healthy for you. So let's get started. The things you will require would be a kettle, resistant heat resistant one which can resist the hot water, 2 lemons. You can either opt for, because we need to abide by the rules, so I think you can opt for either brown sugar. I use it from Dharampur, or you can opt for sugar light. They both are really cheap and they are very effective. You can see 1 kg it is of 100 rupees. Similarly, 1 kg of stevia, it costs around 90 rupees. So they both are very cost effective. Let's get started. First we will start by cutting these. The second lemon which we will use, it is basically for providing a lemon so we don't make a juice out of it. There's a lot of stevia. It is a better alternative to sugar. You can opt to for these syrup. Which will make you weigh up the scale, therefore I do not recommend. And we will add hot water. But you can see it looks really delicious. It is one of the best. So it's one of the easiest looking and making vegan thing which you can make under 10 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. Lemon costs you 10 rupees, and I'm not including the cost of water in it because we are assuming that water is constant. Thus, I believe that this is a very simple, and you should also read about what lemon water does to your body. It is so beneficial. It helps you remove weight. It promotes mental stability. These are so good alternative we have in response to Coke, other soda-based alternatives. I'm a big addict of caffeine and sodas, and for me switching this, I know this might be difficult for some, but I would definitely